You want us online with one or echelon?
One's gonna need stand break up here.
Yeah, get online with Alpha.
You want two in line with...
Yeah, two, you'll be online with one as well.
Roger.
We'll take a stamina break up at the top here, and then we'll tell Charlie we're good to go and push these bunkers. Where's that vehicle audio?
South, far, can't tell what kind it is.
Copy.
Let's get blue left again and yellow right. We're gonna get online with...
Okay, let me know when you're stopped and good on stamina.
It sounded like there's like a truck idling at the top of this hill or something. It might be something in a fortifications on the bunkers mark, that's my guess.
Roger.
Yeah, good. Contact close on the...
That was brisk. Yeah, I'm over here. Wow.
Wow.
Alpha Charlie, we're good to go. Yeah, just don't go too far. Not over this crap.
Charlie 1, hold.
Alpha Charlie, you copy?
Alright, 1-2, let's push up. Try not to move towards the same shit that Alpha's moving towards, just clear your own shit here. We'll try and aim, stay on the west side here.
Bunkers.
Oh yeah, that's a BMP.
So bring it a little bit south.
I got that, so I'm gonna take a shot in a second. BMP's down. Yeah, I got a...
Charlie 2, hold there. 1, go over the top, fucking get in there in the bunkers.
I'm moving. Alpha's assaulting these bunkers. Do you want us to hold back?
Negative, push her on the right side of the bunker there. Fucking get in there and clear it. Alpha's not in a good position to clear that one. Frag in if you need to.
There's another BMP right here on the behind the bunkers. Direct east,
Copy.
one mark.
Keep
Keep
deal
moving
with
until
that.
I get the AT up. Still going.
Turret kill, turret kill.
Alright, one's moving in. Hit the southeast bunkers first.
2, move along the west side, just stay outside for the moment. Keep your fucking eyes out to the south.
Yellow keeps getting south. Blue, focus southeast.
Just hold right at the edge here.
Vic, audio south, far.
It's on the hilltop, left side of the bunker complex. Moving down slope now.
BMP.
BMP.
Try to look innocuous.
We need a Vic to help take this out.
Charlie 2, get in cover.
Yeah, 2, get some hard cover. Move towards the bunker.
Medic nearby. Not much we can do.
Hey, get behind the fire.
Medic nearby. What was that?
Take the CT.
Charlie, medic nearby.
I can't hear you. I'm really quiet.
Yeah,
Let's
Roger.
put
Just
hill
wait
on
for
there.
this BMP to get knocked out and I'll come to you.
Well, that guy was close.
Hey guys, spread out a bit. Spread out a bit.
He was
Here.
in the bunker.
Come on over here. 1 or 2.
Alright, looks like it's disabled. I'm coming to you,
Charlie, looks like this position is clear.
Vanisher and one could use a medic.
JB also. If you're in one and you need a medic, come to my position. Medic's here.
Where'd the Vic go? Still up there? Oh, okay.
Take two, you see those trees just to your south-southwest? Watch the fire. Just set up in those.
Alright, 2, let's move southwest.
Let's move up to this.
One, set it up just outside the compound on the south side. There's a few trees there. One, to give me a head count as soon as possible.
One looks like we're still 7 up. We have 2 AT.
Raj.
Alright, 1, once you're done getting medic up, come over here on the south side.
2 strength.
2 is 8 up.
Vic audio again,
And 2 is
south
vehicle
southeast.
audio southeast.
Copy.
It seemed like he just dropped or something. He just randomly died.
Who?
At Renzel.
I thought I saw him
Yeah.
alive back there.
I saw his dead body back there, but I don't know if he was like rejigging or something. He was just like standing in the open next to us.
It's almost like...
Oh.
Charlie, I need
Vehicle right by the bunkers coming.
Strong.
2 vehicles!
Two
2 BMPs!
disregard.
Spread and get a fucking tree.
Yep, spread. Get our AT up.
Do we have a vehicle to support it?
Guys, if you're not in cover, you are in a bad position right now. That thing, those both have a fucking backdrop on you. They'll fuck you up.
I think we're in a bad position regardless.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop fucking shooting yourself into the other one.
What happened to that other BMP?
You guys are going down there.
Good.
Mark the CCP if you guys need a medic. I'll be here.
Copy. 1, you were 8 strong, correct? Or 7?
It was a little rough.
We're charging that, aren't we?
Did they change the
Charlie
bunkers?
2, what is your strength?
We are 8 up, 1 AT.
Copy. Pick 2 dudes. They're going to be joining on Alpha. Tell them to go to Mac, which is ASL, and ask them who to join.
Do we have any volunteers? I might just,
Preferably make sure your fucking team stays diverse. Like if you know, keep the core elements of your team as Alpha 2 or as a second fire team.
Renzel and Oxo, what are you?
Charlie 1, you're going to be sending 1 dude, same kind of thing. Send him to Mac, ASL.
Yeah, sounds like Alpha had a bad day.
Charlie 1, can you confirm you heard that? Charlie 1 to move east. We're following Alpha around the east side. We're going to be flanking east.
So, Slocky, you're an AR, NG Gates, you're ammo man. Ronnie, are you just...
No, I'm an AR.
Is that a yeah?
I'm an AR. And I lost my AAR, but I took all his ammo.
Okay, good. I think I have some ammo for you as well. And then Schmer, you're also an AR? Okay. So we have 3 ARs.
Charlie, take up a position on the, we got a YI to our south, right? Take up a position on the southwest side of Alpha as a...
Do you want 2 following directly behind 1, or are we fine off to the west?
Depends on what happens with the trees as we're moving up. Just try and stay in cover, but try and fan out to the right as much as you can as we do that.
We'll get definitely if we move up the hill for a little bit.
Just move tie into Alpha.
So let's slow it down. Let Alpha catch up. Just hold up those trees, I guess.
Alpha Charlie, could you Charlie's a little bit more in here.
Well, hey, look at that. Fire.
Charlie 1, follow the mark I just put down. We're gonna disregard what Alpha's doing at this point. 2, just continue guiding off 1.
One's moving. We're guiding off. 2's guiding off 1 to the west.
Yeah.
Roger. Just moving.
1, we're just gonna skirt the side of these trees here.
Be careful. Yeah, there.
One, keep moving along the side of the trees on the east here. You're gonna support 2 as 2 moves in towards those bunkers.
Everyone good on stam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hold for like 10 seconds, let him get stammed before we move. Don't want to get stammed as we're approaching the bunker.
Do you want us to move into that first bunker?
So again, 1, you're just gonna mutually support 2 as they move in and try and start clearing shit. 2, what I'd prefer you do here is you move up just towards the fucking bunkers here, south along the wall, and then move southeast along the edge there.
Contact south, tall bunker.
Roger.
Look for a break doing that. 1, keep moving. Yeah, keep moving 1.
I'm pretty stammed out right now.
1, you should be ahead of 2 for most of this year.
You can keep moving.
Charlie 1, hold. We're just kind of in an awkward situation here because
Contact south 1. Outside that bunker 1. Southeast, contact from southeast 1. Close.
Alright, yellow, keep an eye on that.
1, I need you to pull back northwest. You are not where I want you right now. Being in front of Alpha is going to get you absolutely fucking gutted right now. You need to move northwest. That's a better position. Good. Sit right here. We'll let Alpha get ahead. Don't move around the fucking corner that you're at.
Roger. No break yet. So we're a bit stuck exposed to the southeast and west.
Copy.
Nice frag. Oh,
Get a medic on 2 lead, but yeah.
Roger that.
So we got close contact northwest.
2, change of plan. Circle the opposite direction.
They'll bring it back northwest.
1, shadow them around to the northwest side.
Blue's bringing it back.
Two copies.
We're gonna do the
Cyan
same
went
fucking
back.
thing.
Two.
goes Levy.
We're gonna do the same fucking thing we were gonna do, but we're gonna fucking mirror it on the other side.
You can follow them. I need a medic.
IMG, come back.
I need a medic. Zero bill.
Yeah, I think we all need medics.
Are you a medic or do you have first aid?
Medic.
Oh.
One, I want you extended from the walls here so you're able to provide support, you know, wide into the
Mega.
area.
Roger, moving west.
Thank you.
I need a medic.
Good shit.
0 ability.
Repeat last round. Right, 2, let's keep moving southwest along the edge here.
No one pops a fucking frag out of that bunker behind us.
They never do that. Need a medic as well?
0, you're good. Am I
Thank
giving
you.
him ideas? Oh, you got him? Okay.
Got him.
Vehicle far east, southeast.
Good to go.
Thank you. Vehicle sounds west-northwest. Is that Mike? Yeah, it's Mike.
Yeah, yeah. They were talking about other vehicles down southeast. though.
One, move around to the southeast side at this point.
Okay, Mike's in close support.
Marked location.
Is there even a fucking entrance? Jesus Christ. It's everywhere we didn't look. Or the only place we didn't look. What?
If we pushed up like another 50 meters, we would have found it.
That killed this dude right here from that button over there.
Oh, we can't get in.
Hey, this guy's got an RPG.
Yeah, we're not
We
getting
can't
in
get
this
in?
way.
Yeah, I just... Oh, wait!
Oh, wait.
Oh, hey, Pennyworth got
Okay,
it.
go up the right side. I don't want to go in first.
Hey, RPG-7 on me if someone wants this. Drop it on the ground here.
I don't know what the secret is.
Door and run up the right side.
Yep.
2, be
try
slow,
standing up.
deliberate, use fragmentation if you need it, and just
Okay.
clear through
You
this.
don't need to jump.
Oh.
you can
Please
just
don't
stand
lose
up.
anybody.
Go from the corner.
I had to jump, I don't know.
Take it. Try and stick with your color teams. I can't really coordinate. I don't know where
Behind you,
guys
Shmer.
Alright, this guy's out here.
They're running in behind you again.
1, it looks like you're taking fire from your west. Adjust your position as necessary in order to keep the
Get low,
main
get low,
objective
stay low.
phase clear from outside.
Out this window. You can look out this window.
Can we actually get inside to the other bunkers from here?
Yeah, we can.
Jesus Christ.
Let's keep firing.
Yeah, be advised, 1 has pretty bad positions out here with low visibility. We're not engaging in context at the moment.
Unfortunately, the battle inside this fucking star fort here is like a 1 or 2 man battle at a time due to the way it's designed. So we can't really
Crossing,
put you in there.
crossing.
All
You
good.
just have to do what you can.
Northeast copy.
See that RPG sticking out?
Alright, if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
guys come out, left and right immediately. Take cover behind the stick.
This bunker to our southwest.
Southwest?
Oh shit.
Watching the south door. Fuck!
I think Runny's down.
Where is he?
Jesus.
Wait, bunker enemy. On the right, on the right.
Frag out.
Frag going out north.
Oh, fuck you, Arma.
What'd you do? What?
He's outside the bunker, don't worry.
Alright, I'm gonna push towards that southwestern bunker, okay?
The bunker
There
to our
was contact
southwest.
on the right.
Yep, on the right.
Fragging bunker. Good frag.
Oh, I can get him from right here.
Right, pushing into the bunker southwest.
Hey, he's
Right behind
dead.
you.
He's dead, militant. Shot him in the face.
Oh wow, there's a clown car in here.
Copy.
Holy cow. How'd you survive
Now you are more skilled at that than me.
I brought my elite CSGO skills. I bunny hopped.
You gotta go kind of like angle from the right. It's weird.
Oh, that bounced in perfectly.
Q, how's it going in here?
Is this partisan
guy in
dead
there.
or
Yeah, copy.
No.
Can we put a
Yeah,
grenade?
this bunker's clear.
My
running?
All right. Remind you, sure.
Where are we running? I got your pistol.
I'm gonna go left. Be careful, the right's not clear. Copy. Great.
Hey, I'm
One down.
G8.
Yo,
Good. I'm up.
Is that
Alright, copy.
bunker just to the south clear?
there are people inside it.
Southernmost one?
Or to the south?
Southernmost one, right there.
Yeah, that small little bunker. Yeah, to the
Okay.
south, clear. All right, I'm gonna push on to the next bunker north.
Okay, got you.
MGB, are you with Shmur next pub?
It's probably a clown cutter again.
I wish
Think
there'd,
so.
There's a guy in there.
Big X on the doors.
Yeah,
I
definitely
see
a guy in
Get
there.
in.
Put a,
You
put a
know what?
grenade in.
Frag.
Just
I'm
put a-
gonna- yeah,
Put a
yeah.
grenade in. Yep.
Right, fragging.
Well, didn't kill him, but yep. Okay.
Wow.
All right, that'll do it. All right, good.
Gotcha. For Prony Eye.
God damn it! One of these fuckers better have a grenade.
I'm going into this one.
Yeah, fuck, they did a good job though. They only lost
Yeah,
one dude
grenade.
so far.
How is Slappy still alive at this stage?
MJ, have you cleared the middle building?
Go.
The middle?
Yeah.
Like the 2-story?
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's just we
Alright,
why don't
probably
we go-
killed the battle.
Yeah, let's go do that one.
Just
All right, moving to the middle building. Moving to the 2-story.
Just clearing literally the last bunker now, though. Don't worry about it.
I think the top floor is definitely occupied.
Okay, hang on. There's two things here.
You dead?
Right, ground floor structures
No.
are clear.
Here, hold it.
Moving to second.
Wait, Slappy, are you telling me to hold the grenade? Stop peeking. Where is he?
If the guy's anywhere, he's on the north side. If that was actually. Maybe it's northeast.
Loading. 2 down.
Yeah, there's a corridor on the left.
Whew. Right, 2-story clear.
How's it going? Hey, MGB, you got to clear up there?
What?
Yeah, 2-story building is clear.
Good shit.
Would you like to come see?
Like, every one of these places is like a fucking clown car of EI.
Jesus. Fucking shit. You guys are too good.
Slappy, is it clear yet?
I don't know.
Well, you want to yell at him and you know do your thing. Don't worry, we're actually on the last bunker this time.
Ready?
Wait. Okay.
All right.
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Is Militant still alive?
All right.
Have we done that little bunker over
Alright,
here to the
Charlie,
northeast?
We're finally clear. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Wait, is this bunker clear here?
One, I'm sorry that was probably fucking boring as fuck for you, but yeah, that's how it goes sometimes.
What? What? Oh, we weren't sleeping.
Alright,
Alright.
T, let's GTFO, and we are moving out south.
Oh my god, that wasn't even the fucking final objective?
Charlie 2, do you need assistance clearing the maze?
We should be able to get out. We're just consolidating, you know.
I can't believe this
Copy.
isn't even
1,
the final
2,
objective.
as soon as possible, give me a head count.
Yeah, that was a... I love
Oh shit, we lost a lot of people.
6 up and 1 AT.
Where did all these other people go down? I need to
2 is
steal
4
some
up with 4 AT.
rifle mags.
Did we clear the middle building?
One
Yeah, we
in
did.
the north
Let's
go. Yeah,
bunker. I left like 1 mag over there on Schmur's body. Actually, a lot you can repack.
Whoa, 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 silence. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't you be stealing our corpses.
Hey, MGB.
Yes.
You need some
MGB, don't worry about ammo, we got plenty.
They're on sale.
Let's just head out southeast.
I have a supply crate full of frags, if you'd like some.
MGB just
Not
gave
so
me
much
2
frags, more about rifle mag. If you, oh, thank you.
Oh, rifle mags here. I got some for you too.
Oh,
I got
excellent.
Fucking 16.
Oh, wow, fuck yeah.
Are you heading out, MG?
Yeah, just getting some ammo. I'll be there in a sec.
Putting that in your ruck, right? Okay, you got like.
We should be good on ammo, MG, if you wanna head out.
Yeah, you got like 10 there.
We're falling
Alright,
behind a
cool.
bit.
Thank you. Alright, coming out now.
2, let's go, come on, man.
Sorry, MGB was having trouble with the maze, you know, old age.
Nope, I can't carry that.
Wow!
It's his hand-eye coordination. It's not so good.
I expect more respect for your elders at this point.
Alright, 1, 2, aim to go around the left side of Mike 1 here. We're gonna assist Alpha in assaulting Alpha Objective 2, so let's double time it.
I don't know if it matters, but I have 2 AT, so we've got like. I have 2. I have 1 in my back.
I think every
like how-
single person... Yeah, we've got a stupid amount of AT.
I think we have more AT now that there's 4 of us than we did when there were like 7 of us.
Well,
One
the
you
weak
need an
went,
AT.
now we only have the strong.
Yeah, okay.
We have window... We have window to
Charlie head
shaft.
southwest. So you kick it out to the right of 1 as much as you can here.
Kicking it out.
Hey, Slappy, what's your ammo like?
Kick flipping it out.
What's your ammo like, Slappy?
Fucking literally mad.
Stay outside of the bunkers here and maybe clear the west side outside of the complex.
Yeah, I think what
2?
we're gonna do
Okay.
is we're gonna kick around the west side of the whole fucking compound and
I think I got
see if we
6
can
left, so I can
support
give
Alpha
those
from
to you.
there.
No, just keep them. I cannot carry more.
Oh, okay.
Like I would if I was allowed, but I literally...
Wow, Slappy. Maybe you need to work on your games.
One of marked battle positions here.
Roger, see.
I have so many mags to repack. I probably could do that, but
Those aren't exact marks, just set up around there where you have eyes down to the south.
Do you want us within the bunker compound?
Negative.
Roger.
Man, who the hell set up this defensive position here?
Communist.
Hey, Slappy, can you rest on the street?
Fuck, I hope so.
Armor on the road south.
Fucking piece of
North, move north, move north. Get on the fucking other side of this hill here. Those are fucking tanks coming in, you're not gonna do shit. Just hold for the moment, we'll let the fucking labs deal with that shit.
Oh yeah, the labs are gonna do so well.
And by deal with, I mean get killed.
Oh, good.
Hey, Matt dealt with it. Alright, let's, wait one. Just gonna make sure it's clear. Alright, move back south. Get, establish on those battle positions again.
90.
Hey, if you direct your eyeballs a little bit lower, you'll see there's a EI below ground 190.
Use engage.
Yep. Contact 20255 coming in from fucking 200 meters away, down to the west-southwest.
Jesus, that's...
Doing everybody redirecting or just 2?
2, just fucking worry about that shit, it's on your flank.
I got no eyes.
There they are, southwest.
Does that LAV know that there's infantry there? I'm gonna assume no.
They know now they just got called on. There's a squad in the low ground 220.
Southwest, 100 meters from 2. Really need some fucking help.
The RDM south of the road. How's it going?
Well, there's a smoke screen to our southwest.
Got no eyes west, there's smoke blocking our view.
Copy, that's,
Medic needed on 1.
that's mildly concerning.
Medic needed on 2.
Well, they haven't blown up mics, so that's, you know, that's a good thing.
No, Ted, are you still alive? Emotionally, physically, spiritually?
If you make sure you have someone fucking hardballing the fucking security on your northwest side. I don't know where the fuck that one squad that was far out to the west went.
The medic's still up.
Was the one that walked up on us on the southwest?
That may have been them, but I'm not sure that that was them.
Yellow, occasionally you peek west, northwest, and blue you can focus southwest.
Oh, Schmer's back.
I guess he got FF'd.
Also, for future reference, if you see another Vic with like a big cannon or an autocannon roll down that hill, or that road on the south, just back the fuck up. If we're on the hill here, we are too far really to use LAD effectively, but we're completely backdropped on this fucking hill, so if they decide to fire at us, we're fucked. So just make sure you pull up north if you see one of those kinds of Vics run from that that southern route.
Missed you, Schmer. Oh, yeah.
We avenged you, Schmer.
Oh my god, how many fucking grenades do I have?
You talk to yourself? Have you gotten
Only way I can get intelligent conversation in this fire team.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That was a good comeback.
Fucking shooting at me. Contact south of 2.
Kevin?
Hey Slappy, I've got about 10 mags for you, by the way.
Fire team just waiting for us. One to the low ground.
MGB, you got plenty of ammo?
Yeah, effectively. Slappy's good on ammo, and I've got a whole bunch of the AR mags.
Which ones are the AR mags? Are those the 42 round ones?
Yeah, I can use those.
Okay, I got like 10 of those.
Yeah, it looks like our
I
ARs.
ended up with those. Okay.
I've also got a fuck ton of grenades.
Mike 2's west of C2 now.
I like it when Mike 2's out there. It lets us know when they explode that there's infantry on our flank.
Get the fuck north. Move north now.
Shilka coming in south route.
You need to work on cardio. Oh, those aren't good sounds.
Alright, move back south. That fucking Shilka got deleted. Charlie, we are moving as a mass bearing 185. Bearing 185. Let's go now.
Yeah, one you just need to switch.
Charlie, once we get to the foot of this fucking hill here, we're just gonna push straight up it towards that, I'll mark the arrow. Straight towards that weird ass fucking roundabout thing. Switch back.
Gesundheit.
Alright, let's walk it up here, let everyone catch up. And then do yellow, right, blue, left. We only have 5 people, but... we'll jog it up. Go a little more southwest, we're being cut up by one.
Lee, do you want one falling too, or still echelon to the west?
Nah, just make it work. Move.
What does it mean to make it work?
Make it work, man.
Take one over on the left side of the rock here.
Once we get up here, fucking... see those bunkers up there? We're just gonna fucking hold with eyes on those. Get onto the fucking, good positions here.
If we see someone's head, can we take a shot at it?
Yeah, murder the fuck out of that fool.
Too good to the right of the rock.
Yeah, just don't go mountain goat status, please.
that mean climb the rock?
Yeah, and check out to your southwest. I don't make sure there's no EI down there.
Blue, you hold there. Yellow, you can hold here.
The artillery
See
pieces.
anything MGB actually?
2 bunkers, but no idea if you got people inside them.
Actually, Blue, you can cross over here. Blue, you watch southeast up the road, and then Yellow, you can watch downhill here, a little bit southwest, south.
There was a dude in the right bunker.
And if a vehicle shows up on the road, we'll be in perfect position to surprise it.
Speaking of AT,
Who will be more
since
surprised?
everyone else has an AT.
Don't
Would
want you to be
interested?
left out.
No.
Lucky for you, I've got a second.
Do you really?
You better believe it.
Make sure you get a receipt.
In that bunker.
Let me know when you're ready to join the elite AT crowd.
Where'd Slappy go? Oh, up the road southeast.
There are fortifications to our southeast.
Yes. Also,
Where
I
are you,
have
Slappy?
tons of AR ammo if you want some.
I'm probably gonna need it. I'm just going.
Oh, Slappy is...
Okay,
wow.
let me know when you want me
Slappy's
to
all the way up.
Give you some.
Will do.
He's just asking to get armored.
Wants to become an astronaut for sure.
If you once again, make sure you just have somebody periodically looking out to the northwest. I don't.
I have never heard
The AI or the enemy might decide that they want to climb hills today, and I don't want that to surprise us.
Even if they climb it, won't we be surprised?
I mean, we'd be surprised by the fact that they climbed it, not by the fact that they were behind us. That's the whole point, is that we don't get surprised by where they are.
No double surprise.
No double bamboozle. No.
I hate being bamboozled.
It's only fun when other people get
the mountain goat up here. It's a mountain moose.
It's all those gains, his calves are keeping him up there.
You can go explore the rock with Slappy if you want, MG.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to. There's... fuck it, whatever. If I'm gonna get armored, I'm gonna get armored. Slappy, if I get armored coming up here, it's your fault.
Okay.
Lead, I'm clear to engage these bunkers with some AG.
Yep.
Fucking hit the armor back, damn it. Asshole in the southwest, or I guess the west corner of that brick on the front. He stands up every like 2 minutes. I can't get a good shot off. Next time he stands up, let's both try to fucking hit at the same time.
Alright?
That same dude.
Yeah, I hadn't gotten the first time. You can see his helmet just over the sandbags, but can't hit him unless he stands up.
Like two's coming up the road from our northeast.
I'll get MG bait here to put an RPG round in it.
I could. You know, I wouldn't have to keep dragging this shit around. You know, the minute I fire it, that's when
Charlie, we are moving up. Let's go fucking clear that shit up on the hill.
the minute we move up, that's when the AT-72
One kind of try and
roll
move
in on
around
us.
the left side of all those fucking rocks and shit. Two will kind of hang it around to the right side. Also, don't get in the way of the left.
I'm amazed I didn't get armored.
Do you want us to go like just right over the rocks or to the right?
To the right around him if you can.
Okay, let's see if we can go around them.
Pretty sure there's an entrance to the far right.
Yeah, I think there is.
Slappy, come right a little.
Actually, yeah, you can go, if you can go up in there, you go ahead and do that.
I need some stamina before we get to the crest.
Yeah, we can walk.
Alright, Lead, you want us pushing in and assaulting?
Let's hold
Yeah.
here, make sure everyone gets
Once you clear each of these bunkers, just delete the bunk marker on them. Don't delete the outlines.
Who are we missing?
I'm on the
Probably not
right side.
exactly accurate, but they're close enough.
Just a few more seconds. Right, moving up. What do you got up there? Oh, yeah. Frag it.
Careful, guys. I'm really scared this thing's gonna go in.
Copy one.
Oh my god. Fucking really? Contact south! Frag going out southeast. Fuck it, frag going out south.
Oh, Jesus.
Taking fire. Somewhere to our south.
Guys,
southeast.
far east,
Bravo medic.
east, southeast.
Have we taken that bunker yet?
Charlie 1, just do your best to fucking clear shit here. Whoever's on Charlie net, I need to organize a platoon a bit. I'm gonna be off channel 3 for a moment.
Can't hit this guy.
Hey, has anybody fragged that bunker in front of Boarhead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, copy. Copy. Are you the squad leader now? Whew. How many are there in fucking Bravo?
Finally, Jesus.
Copy, just fucking clear
We
shit.
need to start clearing bunkers.
Hey, Shmur's dead. Is this bunker clear?
I don't know.
Good shit.
This one's clear.
Copy.
Right, I'm gonna push on that bunker in my to my east.
Alright, Charlie. These fucking pillboxes, let's clear this shit. And don't run into fire, please.
This been cleared yet?
I'm clearing this bunker right now.
Anyone inside this pillbox?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, surrender.
Puppy, you stick with MG.
Is any of this shit clear? We got Bravo.
Still clearing this.
East buildings, kinda.
Mr. H, you guys have the,
Jesus, these are like what condominium fucking bunkers.
Here we go. Oh no.
Frag! Put out!
Don't frag this bunker.
Clear, Patchy,
South
you
bunker
died
is
for my sins.
Hey, come friendly in this bunker.
Occupied.
Friendly coming out of this
We'll put
bunker.
your AT to good use, don't worry.
Friendly's in the pillbox now. Friendly's in the pillbox. Bunker.
Okay, so this thing has
So
two
I
entrances.
got distracted there. Do you guys have 153?
Right, this bunker here is clear.
Bravo checking in on 3. Bravo, copy. Are you one fire team at this point?
No idea. I don't know how many are in 2.
Anybody in Bravo 2, copy.
It is.
Copy.
It's clear. Bravo
Lead.
2, check in.
Leader, we good to clear Bravo buildings?
Alright, off. We're just clearing buildings.
Guys, you need to stop talking over each other.
Oh, can I get a medic, please?
Is there anybody in Bravo 2 on this net?
Hey, correct, that's me.
Copy. Are you the only person in Bravo 2?
I want to clear that crap.
Also.
Okay, everybody dissolve. Who's in Bravo? Dissolve onto Bravo 1 and tell me who your fire team leader is.
I'm not gonna fuck what you do. Just
Okay, you're good.
clear with
Thank
the
you.
color team. I gotta find Lancer. Lancer, let's go.
Sounds good.
Can't hear anything over these guys.
Charlie, let's start moving towards where Bravo is right now and fucking clear through the town as we go.
Building's clear.
We have to make these fucking artillery guns inoperable as well.
I mean,
Fucking southeast corner.
Alright, H is in charge of
There's
Bravo
one
1.
on
We
the- there's
appear
one
to
on the
be
stairs. There's one on the stairs.
4 strong.
Clear.
Oh yeah, there's a nasty person inside the second floor.
Oh, there we go.
You guys take that building door east.
MG Bay, come here real quick.
Yo.
Come here, let's clear this building.
Vic, southeast.
Your next room to the south.
Copy, Vic, southeast.
Something with a big gun type.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, friendlies are in this building. Alright, pushing upstairs.
Stop. Stop it.
Hey Penny, I lost you.
Alright, second floor clear. I haven't checked the balcony.
I got the balcony.
Who's circle marks where the fucking artillery is at?
Balc's clear.
Moving up
Balc's
third.
clear.
MG, you're with Sloppy, right?
I'm with Renzo. Right, third's clear, moving to the balcony.
Sloppy?
It looks.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Oh, balcony's clear.
Following yellow team, where are you? Sorry, I got a little mixed up in here.
I don't think I'm gonna want to. I don't want to go up to
I'm
the
not
roof.
gonna get my head.
I was just gonna tell you to stay with MG Fate.
I'll come there.
Hang on, I just got pulled away by Renzo.
Bravo and Charlie elements on this net. Just assist Alpha in clearing through the town as much as we can here, and then we can fucking let Logi do their thing, exploding this shit. And GTFO.
Alright, Lancer, let's take this one.
Hold on, treating.
We got a tank to our southeast.
Contact west.
Anybody else need a medic?
Nope, scratch left. Yeah, contact west. I was fucking right. Fuck!
We got a lot of dudes on the south side. A lot of dudes.
Oh my fucking god!
Don't worry, we got contact on the other side of the bunker.
Jeez, they snuck up on us.
Jesus fucking Christ!
5 minutes timer set.
Holy shit.
set on southwestern artillery.
Bismarck's dead.
Penny, you still up?
Yes. Bismarck is dead, so I'm gonna deal with that.
Alright, I'm on the bunker covering the northwest side.
Once again, the Artie to the southwest is on a 5-minute timer.
4:30 now.
Can you mark the location of that explosive?
It's circled in blue.
MGB, where are you?
I'm in a bunker on the northwest side.
Town or the pillboxes and shit?
One of the big sandbag bunkers. Just covering our flank since we got rolled up on from the west.
Got it. The way we came in, right?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Should we try to get away from the exploding guns first?